Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with navigation, rear view camera, heated rear seats, power sliding rear window and defogger, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, garage door transmitter, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, heated driver and front outboard passenger seats, forward collision alert, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.